This is a summary of the essential content from the geography topic, Rivers. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. As rivers move from the mountains to the sea, they shape the landforms around them. Rivers join to form intricate networks or river systems, as in the Mississippi that drains a good part of a continent. There are different stages of a river's life, from its energetic youth in the mountains to its meandering old age in the plains. At its birth, small streams join together and embark on their journey as fast-flowing mountain streams tumbling over the steep slopes. The river here can have power and dynamism in its youth stage, as it erodes and shapes the landscape, especially during spring snow melt. The river transforms as it leaves the mountains and enters the mature stage, where both erosion and deposition occur. The river changes again to a calm and meandering nature in its old age or floodplain stage, as it deposits sediment and creates floodplains. Waterfalls can occur at any stage of a river, but are more likely in the mountain stage when there is a change in rock type. Niagara Falls is an example where a river tumbles over a cliff of hard rock into the Niagara Cuesta. Here the water is transferring from two of the Great Lakes via the Niagara River. The power of the energy in waterfalls as they fall will create plunge pools at their base. In time, this pool will undercut and softer rock is eroded, causing the collapse of the harder cap rock. As the rocks wear back and the process begins anew, the waterfall will in effect migrate upstream. This can be seen at Niagara. The American Falls at Niagara shows the face of the falls has collapsed. Meanders are deep bends in a river that result from erosion and deposition, as shown here. This meander is on the Colorado River at Dead Horse Point State Park. In time, the meander will be cut off as the river shortens its course and forms an oxbow lake. As rivers reach the sea, they may widen into estuaries, creating a unique part river and part sea habitat for wildlife. Deltas may form as large rivers deposit sediment and create new land, pushing it out into the sea, such as the Nile and the Mississippi.